So whenever we are talking about power transmission or torque transmission, we use belt drive, chain drives and gear drives. So now we are talking about gear drives. First type of gear is spur gear. So as you can see, this gear having straight teeth. So this gear is the simplest type of gear in all, and this is called as spur gear. So whenever we talk about gear, here we are going to fix the shaft. This slot here is provided for facilitation of key, hence it is called as keyway. This portion is the hub of gear, and these are the teeth of gear. So gear transmit power or motion by positive engagement of teeth. This is the second type of gear. As you can clearly see difference between the both gear. This gear is having inclined teeth, and hence this gear is called as helical gear. In case of spur gear, the two gears in engagement have sudden line contact, but in case of helical gear, due to this inclined teeth, the two gears have gradual point contact. So as you can see, this is the helical gear pair in contact. Two gears when are in contact, so as to transmit motion or power are called as gears having pair. So in this case, smaller gear is called as pinion, while larger is called as gear or wheels. When driver gear rotates in clockwise direction, the driven gear always rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So this helical gear pair is transmitting power or motion. So now as you can see, this is helical gear, but as you can see, two helical gears are joined here, one having right teeth, one is having left teeth. So this arrangement is made to avoid axial thrust acting due to the point contact of helical gears. Hence, when such gears are used, this is called as herringbone or double helical gear. Gears transmit motion or power by positive engagement of teeth. Helical gear has wide application in automobile industry due to their noiseless operation. Spur gears are most commonly used, and as they produce noise due to sudden line contact, they are used in application where noise is affordable, and they have wide application in industrial area. So this is bevel gear model. So when shafts are intersecting or the shafts are perpendicular to each other, we use bevel gear arrangement. As you can clearly see, the teeth of bevel gear can be spur, that means straight, or it can be helical, like are inclined. It depends upon the application. The bevel gears are used in differential of automobile plus machines where we need to transmit power between the two shafts which are perpendicular to each other. So this is worm and wheel arrangement. Gear speed reduction up to 300:1 can be achieved with help of this arrangement. The important thing is here is we can transmit power or motion in only one direction, from worm to wheel. We cannot transmit motion or power from wheel to worm. So it has anti-locking property, and due to this property, it is used in hoist crane where only transmission of motion in one direction is required. So this is called as rack and pinion. So this circular is called as pinion, and this gear is called as rack. So this rack is also called as gear with infinite diameter. Such type of gear is used when we want to convert rotary motion to linear motion or vice versa. So as you can see, so we can convert rotary to linear, also linear to rotary motion transmission is also possible. Application of this gearbox, you can see these gears in steering wheels, where once will rotate the wheel or steering of vehicle will be able to take turn.